We're back. It's Rap City, Q45, man. Got my homegirl on the ones and twos, DJ
Hello.
Cinemix over there.
Her boots are
How you
hot.
doing?
Yeah, she making
Thank
the
you,
ladies
Red.
step their game up
Your
today.
sneakers are hot.
Thank you.
You
I
welcome.
try.
You already see what it is, Reg. You bought me some shoes, the white on white with the red stripes on.
That's right.
So tell me about these sneakers,
Hey,
son.
bought you some exclusive, Gilla House sneakers, you know what I mean? This is the Red Man joints right here.
Okay.
You know, right? And this is the beginning of the Red Going Wild album. This is the cover right here. We ain't finishing, but, you know, my dudes, Insanities, make these, you know what I'm saying? Buycustom.com. Check for more info on
They did
that.
all the paint and everything,
Yeah,
right?
all exclusive, man. You ain't gonna find them like that.
So
We
these
deal
are
with
mine, right?
Yeah,
These are
yeah,
mine.
you get those.
No
I'm gonna get
problem.
you the other one in a minute. We ain't finished that.
Is that the right or the left?
This is the right here.
No problem.
We gotta
That's
get
what
you
it
to
is.
the left right here. You got to the left.
So, Red, man, is this going to be your last album on Def Jam?
No way.
No way.
No way.
You sticking with them?
Yeah, they got me for 2 more albums. They ain't letting me go.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Big up to Def Jam.
Big shout out to
Yeah,
them.
nigga.
Now, Red, I'm going to ask you some things